Okay, today we have this active washing cleaner, active disposal cleaner, and active dishwasher cleaner. I'm going to see how good these things actually work. They say they work wonderful, so we're going to give it a try here. Now I got this active dishwashing cleaner tablets. Do they actually work? Let's see and find out. I think it's going to be awesome. Now I'm doing the disposal cleaner. Now flip it over on the back. It's got this code right here you scan with your phone or whatever. But it basically tells you right here how to do it. Now I've been having this hot water run for a couple of minutes now. And so we're having this water run for a couple of minutes now. And then we're going to turn on the garbage disposal. But you have to do that job done. It smells wonderful. They say to do it twice a month. You do you. If you think that you can get away with once a month, that's fine. If you think twice a month, that's fine. If you think 3 times, whatever, you do you. Don't go by the extra directions. If you got a big family and you think you got to do it twice a month, 3 times a month, 4 times a month, whatever, you do you. I think the product is awesome.